Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to set up the student spreadsheet so that you can assign students to give feedback to at least two of their peers. So for example, if you have this slideshow that you're going to share with your students and you need to start assigning slide 5, and then the students would come in and claim their slide and start editing that slide, I'll come to the spreadsheet and I'm going to delete all these numbers by selecting them and hitting the delete key. The first slide starts with number 5. I'm going to go ahead and go to the list of students, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the first name, hold the shift key and click on the last cell so that all the names are highlighted. I'm going to alphabetize the list. That's just me. I will then go to data and then I will alphabetize. And do take note, I have two names by the name of Tommy. So make sure you put their last initial so that the students will know who they are. I'm then going to select the first name, hold the shift key, and select the last name. I will do Control C to copy, go to that list. I will select on that first cell under student and do Control V to paste. And as you scroll down, I have extra cells. So I'm going to select these and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click and I will delete those cells. I'm then going to select the names again under student. I will copy those, Control C. I will then click on student 1, Control V. I will take that last name, I will cut it, Control X and Control V. I will select that column, copy, select student 30, paste it, and replace the last name here, Control X and Control V. Now I need to get the numbers 5 to the bottom, so I will type in number 6. I will select these two cells by holding down the Control key and drag them down. Now it is set up to where Andy is slide number 5 and Andy will be grading William and Tommy D. Now if you want, you can go ahead and change these cells so they're all the same. I happen to use Georgia. I'm going to hold the shift key and I will select all those cells and I will set it to maybe 18 so they're bigger. If you want, you can color coordinate those. That's what I do. I will select those and I'm going to go to the paint bucket and choose a lighter shade of green. I will then choose a lighter shade of purple, and on this one we'll go ahead and choose a lighter shade of blue. Now you're ready to share this with your students. So you would go to the share option in the upper right corner, choose advanced, and I go ahead and make it public, and in this case can view, and you would select this URL, right click and copy it, and then this is what you would share with your students. Depending on how you share information with your students, be it Google Classroom, Schoology, maybe a website, the students do need to access this list so they can go in, edit their slide, and then go up to the options for commenting and give their peers feedback. This concludes the session on how to set up the student spreadsheet so that students can know what to edit and who to evaluate. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.